Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your name on Google Meet. First, you'll need to go to your web browser and type in meet.google.com. The next thing is you're going to see this is either you're going to join an existing meeting or a new meeting by clicking on this or entering a code right here. So we are going to click on the new meeting to start the meeting instantly. You're going to check on your left hand side of your device, and you're going to see your name. So now the next thing that you're supposed to do is you open another browser, and here you're going to type in myaccount.google.com. Once you're here, you're going to click on personal information to edit the information that is on there. So here you're going to click here to change the name. You're going to type in the name that you want to change for the meeting. So for instance, we're going to put Melinda. Then once you've entered your name, you click the save button to apply the changes. So you should be able to see your name on the other side by asking the participants or the other members in the meeting. So once you click on it, you're going to see that your name has been updated. You should be able to confirm if it's been updated. And that's it. Changing your name on Google Meet is quick and easy. Whether you're using your real name or a nickname, you can customize it to suit your preference for each meeting. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.